Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix your FPS stuck on FragPunk. So that's it, let's get started. All you need to do here is to press escape, go to settings, then scroll down under the video, and here you should see VSync. Make sure to turn off VSync because sometimes because of the VSync your FPS can be stuck. And then you just need to go and scroll down until you see or go up until you see menu frame rate. It really doesn't matter. Make it 30. It won't take effect for your gameplay, but on gameplay, make sure your FPS is matched with your monitors, or make it to unlimited. I like to match to my monitors, but it's up to you. Either your monitors FPS or unlimited, and then apply the changes. And then what you need to do here is to close the game. Then you need to open up a display settings. On display settings here, you need to scroll down until you see graphics, or not graphics, advanced display. Select the right monitor and then select highest hertz. Then what you need to do here is to right click on your desktop, show more options, and video control panel. Then under the change resolution, make sure the right monitor is selected, and then make sure the highest amount of hertz selected here. Then go to manage 3D settings, scroll down a bit until you see until you see as you can see here, prefer the refresh rate, and make sure it's highest available, and max frame rate, make sure it's off. And then scroll down a bit until you see VSync, make sure VSync is off as well, and it should uncap your FPS. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.